I'm Debbie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something that my hair desperately needs, and it's a really good protein treatment. Here's the hero product. We will be using the ApHogee Two-Step Protein Treatment. My hair was damaged last year from a balayage treatment which required several bleaching treatments. I totally regret it, you guys. So if you are considering a balayage and bleaching your natural hair, don't do it. But anyway, right now my hair is so dry, it is unmanageable, frizzy, and I'm really unhappy with it. Today is my hair's lucky day. I'm gonna walk you through the entire repair process, go through the steps, give you tips, and give you the final results. Let's dive in. First, you're gonna wanna cleanse your hair. I'm gonna use the ApHogee shampoo for damaged hair. It is protein enriched and will prepare your hair for the treatment. You wanna take the shampoo and massage it into your scalp gently and then clean the strands of your hair. You wanna make sure that your hair is very clean. I know that I have a lot of product buildup right now, so I'm probably gonna go through 2 shampoo washes. And then you're gonna blot dry your hair. Your hair should not be soaking wet, but it should be slightly damp because that moisture will help with the protein bonding process. So I'm gonna head to my shower and clean this head of hair up, and I will be right back. I am nice and clean, especially my hair. So let's get started on this process. This one is probably for me the most unfun part because I have to detangle very, very gently all the strands of my hair, which will make the protein bonding application so much more comfortable and easy. So really just take your time to detangle your hair, and it's gonna take me a little while because I definitely don't want to encourage any breakage right now. So I am going to detangle my damp hair, and then I'm going to section it off into probably 6 separate sections. Wow, what a process that was. My arms definitely got a workout. My hair is detangled and sectioned off into 6 different sections. You can see it here. So this will make the process so much easier. It's up to you if you want to wear gloves. I definitely would suggest if you have cuts, you should definitely protect your hands and put those gloves on. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can apply the protein treatment. The first method I'm going to show you is putting it into a spray bottle. Here's my cute little spray bottle. It was the only one I could find in my house that I didn't mind destroying because I heard that the protein treatment does kind of ruin plastic bottles, but that is fine. So here we go. I am pouring in the treatment. I'm going to start with this side of my hair, the left side of my hair, and what we're going to do is saturate the hair from root to end. So I'm going to spray it in, and I love this water bottle because it distributes the product so well, because there's like some water bottles where the spritz is just all over the place, but this one is really concentrated and it's getting the strands of my hair wet, and spray it from root to end. Get a wide toothbrush and you're going to gently comb the product through your hair to make sure that it's distributed. Okay, I'm going to take the second section of the left side of my hair, let it down. This section is a bit thicker, so I'm going to make sure that I cover each strand. See, my hair is really long, you guys, which I'm really happy because I love my hair long, but it's in a really sad damaged state. So let's repair it. So I'm going to start at the end to gently comb my hair, get all the tangles out. Again, be very gentle through this process. Definitely, you know, mark some time out on a Sunday for like a self-care day and do this protein treatment. Okay guys, for the final section, this section is even bigger, so I probably should have made it smaller. You know what, and I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna split this section to 2. We're gonna spray it in, and you know what, you guys, I read so many comments, watched so many videos explaining how bad this smells, and honestly I don't know what they're talking about. Like, I don't smell anything. It doesn't smell very caustic. I don't smell anything horrible. So just want to let you know in case you guys are sensitive to smells, because I definitely am. It's not bothering me one bit. I sprayed a little bit more of the protein treatment on my hair to make sure that it was evenly saturated. This is key for even results. One more thing, this product is really sticky, so you may want to wash your hands between application. I also got some product on my mirror and I knew that it was sticky, so I immediately wiped it clean. The second method requires a bowl and a whisk, so you're going to pour in the product and then you're going to whisk it up just like you're making some eggs to get it frothy. And from there, you will apply it to your strands of hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Pouring the product into the mixing bowl, getting a good amount. I would say I have like 1/4 cup in here. And here's my whisk. I'm just going to whisk this. Give it a good stir. There should be like an egg white consistency. Not as thick, but you see the bubbles on the surface, so it's ready for application. I have my strand of hair on my right side. I'm dipping my fingers into the protein treatment from roots to end. I'm going to apply the product. I can tell you right now, I like the spray bottle method so much more because it's just less messy in my opinion. But if you don't want to deal with that and you just prefer getting dirty and getting your hands in the stuff, then go for it. Again, make sure to brush the product all the way through from roots to end. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and getting a good idea of how to use this product well. And now brushing it all the way through. Wide comb brushes are the best. Guys, this method is so messy. Like the product is dripping off of my fingers onto my bathroom floor and I hate it. But I definitely wanted to show you this option. Yay, we're at the last piece and the hair around my face, my bangs are exceptionally damaged because the bleach really took. So I want to make sure I get all of this covered up and get that protein bonding. In my opinion, this spray bottle method is just far superior. It's so much easier, quicker, and less messy. The next step, you are going to take a hair dryer and dry your hair thoroughly and do not touch your hair. Your hair is going to be very stiff, which is what you want. But if you keep touching your hair, you could break your hair and that would be a huge no-no. So I'm going to take my hair dryer and thoroughly dry my hair throughout. If you have a hooded hair dryer, that would be awesome. I don't, and I didn't really want to order one, so we're going to use this. I had a strange hiccup. For some reason, my Dyson hair dryer would not turn on, and it's practically brand new, and I really hope that it's not broken. So I'm going to take my GHD hair dryer and start using it and dry this hair and just get through this process. Once your hair is dry, it will feel completely stiff, and don't worry, that's normal. What you don't want to do is you don't want to brush it, you don't want to comb it, and you don't want to handle it. The next step is to rinse the protein treatment out of your hair. You're going to head into the shower with warm temperature. Do not agitate your hair. Just let the water run through your hair to get all the product out. Next, you want to use the balancing moisturizer to add softness and moisturizer back to your hair. And unfortunately, it didn't come in my package and I'm so frustrated. So you know the show must go on, so I have to add some sort of moisture back to my hair. So I'm going to use their Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor after I have thoroughly rinsed out the protein product. And we're going to add this and hopefully it will work just as well. Okay, fresh out of the shower, and I can tell you that my hair feels so soft. And I'm noticing like curl patterns in my hair that I haven't seen in a long time. I don't know if it's in my head, but literally I see it and it makes me so happy. Do you guys see a difference? I think my hair is looking really beautiful and healthy, and I think over time I'm gonna get the results that I'm just dying, praying for, that I've been praying for, because my hair has been so damaged. And this is the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor that I just used, and it says it adds strength and softness in one step, quick and effective against heat and chemical damage, and it's pH optimized, so that is a plus. I'm really loving how soft my hair is, and if you can see this little curl, it has a bounce that is so fabulous. I'm so happy. and one would stop here, but I am not. I'm gonna move forward and add another protective moisturizing mask. I'm gonna use OUAI Thick Hair. I got this for Christmas, or actually I got this for my birthday from my daughter, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. My hair loves it, and it really adds that moisture my thick, coarse, and dry hair needs. I got this idea to use a hair mask for the third and final step from another fellow creator called Ms. Magic, and she said to just top it off, to use a hair mask to really replenish your hair and give it that moisture that it needs. So I'm going to do that, and this mask works in only 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to apply it and put it in my hair right now. Here is what the hair mask looks like. Smells amazing, and it has a really nice creamy texture. So I'm going to apply that from the mid to the ends of my hair and just lather this goodness in. And honestly, just doing it right now, I can feel like my hair getting so soft, but obviously it's from what we did earlier with the protein treatment. Make sure to get your wide tooth comb out and brush your hair gently to make sure the mask is evenly distributed, and also to get those darn tangles out. My hair is fully masked up. I am going to put it in a low bun, just twist it so that I can prepare for the next step, and is using a heated spa cap. So here it is. Here is my hair spa cap, and it's heated. You have to plug it in. It has an inner liner, and then you put the hair cap on. Actually, for those who are curious, I'm going to show you what the elements of the hair mask contains. So here's the liner. It just looks like your basic shower cap. Cute. I'm going to tuck it behind my ears and make sure all of my hair is in it. And here is the cap that has the heating element. And so here's the cord. Just gonna put this right over my hair. It works really good, you guys. It has 2 settings right here. There's on and off button, and then there's, because my hair is extra damaged, it's really important that I do this hair mask. Giving it enough time will help restore its moisture, elasticity, and curl pattern. This is where the moisture really sinks in and transforms your hair. Protein gives strength, but moisture gives flexibility, and with curly, wavy hair, you need both. Heading to the shower to rinse this off, and I will be right back. Okay, out of the shower, and let's do the final reveal. There we go, you guys. My hair feels so soft. I'm going to add a couple treatments into my hair to finish it off. This is their Keratin Green Tea Reconstructor, and it says it strengthens instantly and builds body, protects color, and chemical surfaces. So I'm going to spray this into the strands of my hair. Down but wishing you'd come and save me. Next, I'm going to add their Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. It helps to smooth, detangle, improve body and shine, and it protects against heat. It's a little bit runny, so make sure you capture it in your hand. I'm going to just apply it through the strands of your hair. This is the first time that I've used the ApHogee Two-Step Protein Treatment, and I can tell you right now that I'm definitely impressed. Again, my hair feels soft, moisturized, and my curls and my waves are more defined. So I'm really excited about it. I would love for you to drop your experiences, any tips and tricks in the comment section below. Again, I wish that I had the bouncing moisturizer, and I'm going to order that, and I will compare it to the Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. But right now my hair is feeling so soft, and I'm so happy.